how easy is it for Chinese companies to use hosted model APIs from the US?
Yeah, I mean, that's incredibly easy, right? Like OpenAI publicly stated DeepSeek uses their API, and as they say, they have evidence, right? And this is another element of the training regime is people at OpenAI have claimed that it's a distilled model, i.e., you're taking OpenAI's model, you're generating a lot of output, and then you're training on the output in their model. And even if that's the case, what they did is still amazing, by the way, what DeepSeek did efficiency-wise.
Distillation is standard practice in industry, whether or not, if you're at a closed lab where you care about terms of service and IP closely, you distill from your own models. If you are a researcher and you're not building any products, you distill from the OpenAI
This is a
models.
good opportunity. Can you explain big picture distillation as a process? What is distillation? What's the process of distillation?
Talked a lot about training language models. They are trained on text. And post-training, you're trying to train on very high quality text that you want the model to match the features of, or if you're using RL, you're letting the model find its own thing. But for supervised fine-tuning, for preference data, you need to have some completions, what the model is trying to learn to imitate. And what you do there is instead of a human data or instead of the model you're currently training, you take completions from a different, normally more powerful model. I think there's rumors that these big models that people are waiting for, these GPT-5s of the world, the Claude 3 opuses of the world, are used internally to do this distillation process at
There's
OpenAI.
also public examples, right? Like Meta explicitly stated, not necessarily distilling,